What's up, everybody? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and today is day 46 of this beginning 5K program. Fantastic. You guys are awesome. Let's get moving, everybody. All right, day 46. You know what that means? It means it's a workout day. So get ready, put your shoes on, and here's Coach Robin.
Hello, my running friends. It is run day. It is Thursday. And so today we are going to be doing a 2-mile run. Same thing we did 2 days ago, so no worries there. I know you've got this. We've been practicing. We've been doing all our work. I keep saying that because it's true. So anyway, today maybe think about your breathing, as we're starting to run more, just keep a nice breathing cycle. If you feel yourself starting to breathe too hard, maybe you need to slow down your pace a little bit. So just concentrate maybe on your breathing today and, just nice rhythm, not too out of breath. If you do get out of breath, like I said, just slow it down a little bit, but take it easy. We got a couple more weeks here to go before we get to our goal, but we are well on our way. We are more than halfway there now, guys, so I am really, really excited for you. So I'm going to get mine done, and I'll be back to see you when we're done. Great workout, everybody. We did a nice warm-up. We went for our run, and then we did a cool down, and that 2-mile run felt really, really good for me today. I know, because we've been doing it a little bit more consistently now, it's getting a little easier, so I hope the same for you. So tomorrow's a rest day, you know that. It's Friday, and I like to come at you with a little bit more information on Fridays, so stay tuned to see what I have for you tomorrow. Anyway, I will see you then, and have a great rest of your day.
All right, awesome, awesome, awesome. That's all I can say. You guys are fantastic. You're doing great. And if you like this program, make sure that you hit the like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get notified for every time we put out a video. And make sure you share this with anyone that you feel that can use a beginning 5K program. And as you know, I think anyone can do it as long as they put the hard work into it like you are. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say, and I will see you tomorrow, because tomorrow is day 47. See you guys. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.